Remember when you had to smooth out those joists? When you needed to easily fix a stubborn door or make two uneven boards flush? Now you can do all this and more with the WIN electric hand planer. The 6-amp motor provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute through even the hardest of woods. While most of our competitors have a maximum depth of 5/64 of an inch, the WIN planer exhibits 16 positive stops in 1/128th inch increments to fine-tune your cuts anywhere up to 1/8 of an inch deep. The WIN electric hand planer also comes with a handy dust collection bag that can be attached to either the right or left-hand side of the planer, an adjustment wrench with onboard storage, a kickstand to protect your blade, a rabbiting guide to help measure the depth of your rabbits, and a parallel fence for making perfectly straight cuts. The base of the plate even has a V-shaped groove to help make chamfering the corners of your wood easier than ever. And if you have a dust extractor, you can plug it right into either side of your unit to maximize the collection of sawdust and keep your work area clean. Remember when you had a reliable planer that gave you years of quality service?
Remember when?
The RT0701C is a 1¼ horsepower compact router. The router comes standard with a 1/4-inch collet and straight guide, and it takes industry standard template guides. The RT0701C is used to create common profiles like classic bead, corner bead, bullnose profiles, and more. The router is also ideal for trimming edges on laminates and wood materials. The fixed base takes an optional dust port for improved dust collection. Some of the features on the router include smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system for more precise settings, quick release cam lock system for easy depth adjustments and base removal or installation, and a heavy-duty aluminum housing engineered for increased durability. The router accepts 3 optional bases. The plunge base can be used to cut grooves, as well as dadoing, mortising, or inlay pattern work. It also takes an optional dust port that attaches to the base. The base comes standard with 3 preset stops for added precision, and it takes industry standard template guides. And it can also be used with the guide rail system for multiple applications. The tilt base provides routing at different angles. The offset base allows for routing in hard-to-reach areas and as close as 3/4 of an inch to the wall. The base is ideal for installing kitchen and bathroom sinks. The new RT0701C, RT0701CX7, and RT0701CX3 router kits are part of Makita's expanded lineup of woodworking solutions.
Introducing the Craftsman V20 20-volt max random orbit sander. This cordless sander's lightweight, low-profile design offers the control you need and the power to complete tasks with ease. Use the included dust bag or connect to a 1 1/4-inch wet-dry vac hose for high-performance dust collection. The dust-sealed switch provides added durability and long life, and when you're finished, just hang it up and out of the way. Get the job done with the V20 20-volt max random orbit sander, part of the Craftsman V20 system. Craftsman, we build pride.